Good morning, guys. It's time for another update from our progress here on board SEC Fin down in Trinidad and Tobago. This week we've been pretty active. We've been working hard. Rebekka's been re-varnishing the cabin sole up in the pilot house. She's been doing a great job there, putting on much more varnish, refinishing it. I've been also trying to refinish our countertop surface down in the galley. So last reel you saw me picking off all the little tile. They were super dirty, the grout in between the tiles. You could never get that clean, lots of hiding place for bacteria and stuff. First we added a piece of plywood to get the bench up to where it used to be. In that plywood I routed out a little groove to receive the sink. The sink is normally mounted under the countertop, but here I'm sandwiching it in between the two sheets, the plywood and the solid surface countertop. Sink fits perfectly on the first try, like always. The reason we chose the under counter mounted sink is because any water that would end up on the countertop would then easily make its way down into the sink. Here we're placing the worktop. That's going to be a part of our countertop as well when we're not using the sink. Like and follow for more updates.